Hi, my name is Faruk and today we're looking at the Studio Display XDR if my robots don't kill me. First of all, I like to mention that the unboxing experience of Studio Display XDR is insane. So let's just first get to that and then we're gonna move on. So what I want to do in this video is I want to live react to what this Studio Display XDR can do. First of all, as far as I can see, this thing looks gorgeous. If you don't know, I work on Pro Display XDR. That's my main monitor and I love that thing. I've been using it ever since it came out. It is fantastic. I also have Studio Display, the regular one, which I use in my music studio, but my Pro Display XDR is the main machine I have. So this is the anti-glare version. As you can see, there's nothing reflecting and I love that so much. And the hinge can actually go from here up to here. We can look down, we can look up, we can bring it down. Fantastic. Now the second thing I want to do is I want to hear the audio. This is coming from MacBook and it's sounding super full, but now we're gonna switch to Studio Display. All right, here we go. My mama told me that you're no good for me, and I think she might be right. But I think I'd rather die than pretend that I'm still innocent. Oh my gosh. Just a bit. I'm sick and twisted, I'm addicted. This got hit. I love you to death, tear my heart about my chest. Kinda wish we never met. You know I love you to death, yeah, yeah. Baby, you're the worst, but I love the way it hurts. I can't hate the way it puts you first. All right, not bad at all. It's not that full, but it is really good. So I want to see what happens if we go to, I don't know, an HDR movie over here. One of my go-tos is, of course, Mad Max. By the way, the stereo and everything, the spatial audio is fantastic. Okay, so, all right, that looks incredible. However, let's launch Cyberpunk. Oh yeah. I have a test that I want to do on this computer here. This is 120 Hertz, so I have a file that is gonna play
in 120 frames per second. So I'm gonna set this one to shoot in 120 frames per second, so we should see every number. So I'm gonna stop this. Now I'm recording. So what you're seeing right now is a 120 frames per second video playing on 120 Hertz Studio Display XDR, and I slowed this down to 4%, and as you can see, we can see every number displayed properly. Congratulations! So this is my first impressions of the Studio Display XDR. It just looks fantastic. It's a really good monitor, and for its price, I think it's really good. The one thing I'm not really enjoying is the stand, because the Pro Display XDR stand is fantastic and this is lacking that rotation. With Pro Display XDR, when you want to move the screen up and down, it feels like a feather. This is a little tighter compared to that, and the fact that this cable is not detachable, it seems a little interesting to me. But other than that, for its price, I think this thing is fantastic. So thanks so much for watching this live reaction video, and I'm gonna be diving into these devices later on. So if you have any questions, please leave them down below and I'd like to answer them for you. So that's it for me for now. Thanks so much for watching. Please let me know what you think about Studio Display XDR or the refreshed Studio Display. Are you interested in these? Are you going to be picking up one? And until I see you next time, take really good care of yourselves and hoşça kalın.